Well, I was sitting down to edit the video for this episode, and it's about 2 p.m. and I got a text from David saying that he got a feeling that he needs to go back, and I said, I'm coming, wait for me. And he's already in here and he already found something, so we're gonna go see what he found. There's a fucking catfish!
That's either a flathead or a
We still haven't seen what David found.
But we're looking on this.
But we're looking. Check it out.
That we've already looked through.
There it is, dead center. That's 100% serrated point right there.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
Nice. Ooh, impact fracture.
Impact fracture.
Yeah, you see that?
So it's drawn blood.
That or it smoked a tree.
Hello, guess who? I'm just here to work off my curse at this point.
Upon first inspection, this looks to be the broken off tip of a larger spear, but if you look here, you can clearly make out right here the flaking from a notch. So this right here is a notch point. And similarly on this side, you can make out the flaking of a notch, which means that these are two notches and this right here is a broken base, meaning that this is a point which is mostly complete, the base missing right here, and possibly some of the ears have worn off in the creek over time. On the tip here you can see an impact fracture. This arrowhead was most likely fired at game and it hit a tree or a rock or a rib, maybe. My theory is that this is an expanding stem corner notch arrowhead, which means the ears would have come down a little ways and the base would be expanding like this.
Oh, you're going. Can you bring a wizard next time?
Good found.
This is beautiful.
It's ugly. Throw it back. Just kidding. Wow. These two things were found like
10 feet of each
10
other.
feet apart from each other and half an hour apart apparently. Wow.
That is just gonna get it wet. Really see the colors pop.
That is nice.
Just put this one back. It's not very good, so.
What? Where the hell is it?
Oh no.
You're fucking kidding me? Oh, we lost it.
Here it is. Do you want to hold it?
Wow. Captain's log, day 4.
Day 4, you mean hour 4?
This is my 4th day arrowhead hunting in a row. We found some arrowheads.
Yeah, we did good.
Hell yeah.
I'm happy with what we found. This was one of our best weekends of hunting. Don't you think?
I think so.
I mean, you found 4, I found 3.
Actually, I found 6 artifacts this
You're
weekend.
counting the bullshit from...
What the fuck? One of
One-
them was
that
a
one
little...
creek.
Fuck you.
What?
Yes, I'm counting the bullshit from the other creeks. Just because it doesn't come from this creek doesn't mean it's not a legitimate artifact. Anyways, we're taking a rest and then we're gonna head back. Yo. You ready to get out of here?
Yep, let's go.
Well, it's Sunday, so this is the actual last one. I think it's a good thing we came out.
Yeah, we did all right today. Got some good stuff. Some flakes and score and
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
take it easy.
Peace
guys.
out. Captain's log, day 4. We've been here for so long that David's begun to eat rocks.
This one looks kind of jagged. Don't eat rocks, kids. For my next stunt, I will do a triple crown backflip off of this hill.
All right, let's see it.
Are you impressed?